Hey everybody, last video for today. So, club words. They may be getting neglected. They may not be. They may be one thing that you always practice, but it may be something that you forget to practice by the end of the day. So if you can see behind me, I've got club word masters back here. So if I have forgotten your name, send me a message so I can write your name on the board, okay? I want to recognize everyone, and when we're back face to face, I will make sure you get your prizes, okay? So Club 22, I've got Jude, Nora, Jonah, and Daniela who have mastered Club 22. Club 60, I've got Jude and Nora. They have mastered Club 60. And then Club 100, I just got word that Jude is on Club 100. So if your child has mastered it, or if you are watching and you're like, Miss Helvey, I've mastered club words, send me a message so I can write your name up there too. I want to celebrate everybody, okay? So real quick, I'm going to go over what the Club 22 words are if you've maybe lost your paper, or if you're like, what are club words? We haven't done those. So club words, remember, they are just for reading fluency. You don't have to spell these, but you may find that when you get to Club 60 or even Club 22, you're going to find our sight words are also in the club words. So you're going to be able to read them and write them, okay? So we've got I, we, is, a, no, in, and, said, of, am, you, for, you see without the glare, sorry, at, the, from, on, it, they, was, me, saw, and my. So those are the first club words, Club 22. If you can read those without maybe, messing up, or if you can read them fluently, send me a message, okay? I want to celebrate you all, even if you're at home. I want to have this board completely filled with names, okay? So those are your club words. Maybe next week I will get a bigger board and write Club 60 words on there for you all, okay? So keep practicing those, keep reading them, and let me know how you do. Bye.